Hey diesel truck fans, if you drive a PowerStroke, Duramax, or Cummins diesel truck and you want to unlock its full potential, fix frustrating issues, and save big money in the long run, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down our complete performance bundle, the DPF delete, the EGR delete, the PCV kit, and tuner. These 4 parts don't just work alone, they work together to take your truck to the next level. And trust me, leaving anyone out will hold you back. First up, the DPF delete kit. DPF stands for diesel particulate filter. Our DPF delete removes that restriction, lets exhaust flow freely, and boosts horsepower and torque, and saves you from costly DPF repairs or maintenance down the road. Next is the EGR delete kit. Our EGR delete stops recirculation, keeps your engine clean, and prevents overheating, and improves throttle response, making your truck feel like new again. Third is the PCV kit, short for positive crankcase ventilation. Small but critical. It vents or filters harmful blow-by gases from the crankcase and prevents oil from contaminating your intake. Don't let a small part cause massive problems. This simple upgrade makes a huge difference. Last but absolutely not least, the tuner. Think of it as the brain of your performance setup. It reprograms your truck's ECU to work perfectly with all the other upgrades. Maximum horsepower and torque. It ties everything together so all your mods perform at their best. Without it, none of your other parts will reach their potential. Here's the bottom line. These 4 parts work as a complete system. When you grab our 4-piece bundle, you get it all. More power, fewer problems, longer engine life, and a huge discount. You'll save more than buying them separately, avoid the hassle of mixing and matching parts, and give your diesel truck the ultimate performance upgrade.